Get up. Reveille. Wake up. Try to get up. Reveille. Wake up. Thank you. What are you gonna get? Huh? What are you gonna get?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
What up, y'all? It's me and Shadinks again. Dude, you got like breakfast sandwich all over your facials, buddy. Gotta come correct when you're on video. Just kidding. Anyways, got a day off. It's just me and Shadae. We decided to go see who?
My grandpa.
Your grandpa.
Grandma.
We're gonna go see your grandpa, huh?
My grandma.
Your grandma. Your grandma who?
My dad's mom.
And who is that, knucklehead?
My grandma Penny.
Yeah, we're about to go see my mom. So we had to take a trip and a half, long drive to Temecula. She's gonna be really excited. We're gonna hang out with her because we missed seeing her on her birthday.
I want to see her dogs.
What?
Her dog?
I don't know. We'll see. You never know. But maybe we'll go hang out, go eat somewhere, and spend some quality time. But we'll catch y'all later. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Tap that button. Give us a thumbs up, right, Shadis?
Yeah.
Holla. What are you doing, kid?
Watching my YouTube.
What?
Watching my YouTube.
What are you watching?
FGTV. Daddy's show.
It's okay. Say hi, Mommy. I'll get it.
What?
You got it. She got a toy.
She is so big.
Yeah, she's big now.
She got the toy for you. She's gonna pull. She loves toys. She's showing you.
Is this mommy?
Get her to go off top. She talks too. You can't touch her though.
Hello.
Say hi. You give me kisses. Yeah. Say hi. Look at your friend.
Yeah, my God.
No.
Hi, Maverick.
Why are you being so... Don't be mean. Don't be mean. She likes your head pet too. Yeah.
Oh, what? Did she burp?
No, she talk. Hey, be nice. You can kiss her. She likes kisses.
Hey. But look, this is distraction right here.
We have an imitation bird, Daniel.
Yeah?
We put batteries in, and it talks.
Come here, Shadae. Where's the backyard? Hey, Mommy, pull.
Get it. You got it.
She's strong, huh?
20 minutes later.
Are you guys in Temecula?
Yes.
Say what's up to the vlog, Michael.
What?
Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up? We got Northern California Press Squad checking in the vlog today. What's going on? You know, about to go make some money, I heard.
That's not good.
My brother Michael.
That's not good.
Correct, you say?
That's not good to rip people off.
It's not good, but it pays the bills. That's what's it is.
The American dream.
Go ahead and follow me at WATCHA 1984. That's Watcha 1984. Follow follow me on Instagram. My IG really not popping. It's all good though. You can still follow me. Or you can follow me on Snapchat at same name, WATHJ1984. It's my Snapchat. Come follow me. Come see what I do. I really don't do nothing, but come follow me.
Your uncle's crazy, huh, Shadae? Your uncle's crazy. All right, homeboy. We'll check you later.
All right.
Love you.
I love you guys.
Love you, Liz. Bye, Liz.
Bye, baby.
Say bye, Uncle.
I love you.
Peace.
I love you, Day. Peace out. Peace out, homie.
Peace out.
Stay black. Stay black, girl. Stay black. I'm the Rock.
Oh, just a skinnier, whiter one?
Yeah, just a skinny, whiter one.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Yeah, I don't know. I haven't eaten Temecula
My cousin, a guy.
in a long time.
All right. Thanks, but no thanks for your suggestions. I appreciate it.
Hey, my wedding's gonna be in May 19th, just so you guys know.
Are you sure?
Yes, May 19th,
Are you sure about that?
and it's in Newcastle.
All right. Good luck.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
But the place
Shadae, you're gonna eat all of this, okay? The whole thing. You don't have a choice.
Here's your birthday candle.
There you go.
Oh, that's a
Happy
candle.
birthday to you.
It's her
Oh yeah, it's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma.
Happy birthday to you.
Blow the carrot out. All right, good.
Yay.
So me and Shadae and my mom visited Grandma. Saw a zoo at the house with birds and dogs. We ate some wangs. How are your wings, Shad?
Good.
Good.
But one thing, it is hot as hell up in Temecula, huh,
It's like
Shad?
108.
It's 108 up in here. We are melting.
110.
110? But we about to go
It's all burned.
visit my Uncle Derek. Catch up with y'all later.
1 hour later.
Oh no.
He kissed you?
He kissed me on the right here.
Yeah, he just licked his butt and then he kissed you. Oh. You got butt on your face now.
Oh, yo, Leah.
So you gotta love Southern California traffic because we tried to get to Temecula Diamond Bar. Now we're late to Shadee's Hula. But we're here now. We're gonna try to sneak in and hopefully she doesn't disrupt anything. And she doesn't even have the right shirt. So, hold on.
Now the moon shines bright and the sun will rise again to start a new day. With the grace of her hand, she can tell you that the stars only lie.
you just volunteer to go out there for the vlog? You did it because Dad knew he was recording?
No. Because I was the last person at
So they're like, might as well let it be me.
Yeah, but I didn't want to do it because it's so hot and I'm so...
You did good. Can I get a double pound? The double? I think Shadae came through. It looked kind of hip-hop-ish with a little bit of hula Tahitian. That's the Shadae style, huh?
I don't know what to do well.
I think you did good. Don't worry about it. I think everybody else clapped, so I think Shadae did good.
I'm happy that I did that.
You should be very happy. I'm for volunteering. That's half the battle. You had the bravery to go out there.
It's hot out here and I was...
You were hot inside there?
Yeah.
Maybe it wasn't worth it? It was good. You did good. I'm proud of her.
Okay.
Later that same evening.
All right, we had a good day today. We got to see Grandma. What did we do? Grandma, you had a good wake up?
Yeah, and I'm going to be so tired in the morning.
Because, oh yeah, you're starting first grade tomorrow. Starting first grade, so no more kindergarten. Then you went to hula.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm not having homeschool. Don't worry, guys. Because I'm in the first grade. It means I'm in the first grade at my real life school. I have a real life school. West Covina Christian School. Like and subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. And just smash that like button. And we'll see you guys later. Peace.
In bed, it's time to go. Good night, ladies.